In today's video, I'm going to teach you what to do with past transactions in Monarch Money, whether you're looking to streamline your financial management or gain more insights from your spending. Handling past transactions effectively is an essential step. Let's dive in and explore how you can optimize your financial review process with Monarch Money. First, start by reviewing and categorizing your transactions. It's crucial to ensure that every transaction is accurately categorized, reflecting your spending habits. This can often be done manually, but to save time, you can also set up rules to automate the categorization process. Furthermore, consider adding tags such as tax, reimburse, or subscription to each transaction. Tags are incredibly useful for organizing and quickly filtering transactions later on. Once you have your transactions categorized, it's time to mark any transactions that you may want to review later. Monarch Money offers a handy feature to mark transactions as needs review. This allows you to focus on those needing immediate attention while setting aside others that can be revisited at a more convenient time. To keep your views decluttered, consider hiding any irrelevant transactions. This might include transactions such as transfers or reimbursements that don't impact your current financial analysis. They'll still be accessible through filters, so don't worry about losing them entirely. Now, what about those transactions that require a bit of adjustment? You can easily edit details like the merchant's name, category, and date. If needed, you can add notes or tags to provide additional context. For transactions that span multiple categories, Monarch offers an option to split them accordingly, ensuring your budget aligns perfectly with your actual spending. Monarch Money also makes transferring or deleting transaction history straightforward. If you're switching accounts within the same financial institution, you can transfer your transaction and balance history from the old account to the new one. This feature ensures there's no loss of data, maintaining a continuous and accurate financial record. Alternatively, for removing outdated or irrelevant data, especially from synced accounts, consider deleting transaction history prior to a specific date. Finally, if you need to retain a backup or use your data for an external analysis, you can download your transaction history in a CSV format. This can be accessed through the account settings on the desktop version of Monarch Money. Additionally, if you have transaction data from other finance apps or banks, Monarch allows you to import this data by simply uploading a CSV file. Just remember to ensure the file format matches the required specifications for a seamless import process. By following these steps, you can effectively manage your past transactions in Monarch Money, leading to a clearer, more organized financial outlook.